The appeal case filed by Royal Media House, the Standard Group and the Nation Media entered its second day before a three-judge bench led by Lady Justice Rosalind Nambuye. Lawyers representing the media houses questioning how the Chinese company was issued a license in a manner they claimed was against the constitution and against the government policy.
The condition that this license was being granted on affirmative action and not as a matter of constitutional right is something that the judge ought to have considered. Should licenses be at the discretion of a permanent secretary? What independence do we have under the Constitution?
The lawyers argue that there is no justification for not issuing the licenses to the local broadcasters, noting that the denial of broadcasting licenses amounted to denial of their freedoms. They asked the court to use its powers to direct issuance of the licenses to the local media stations.
Migration is most welcome to Kenyans. The appellants want to embrace it, do embrace it. They want to compete with any entrant, but on a level playing field.
The lawyers also raised issue with the independence of the Communication Commission of Kenya.
Can the licensing be undertaken by CCK when it's government controlled? That test is not in the judgment. And by failing to do that, the judge asked, we cannot go back to the constitutional provisions and say we cannot operate in a vacuum. That is correct, but this act must be in conformity with the Constitution. Anything done in violation of the Constitution is unlawful.
According to the lawyers, in issuing the license to the Chinese company, the government did not adhere to its own policy, which states that if a company is a licensed carrier, it cannot be a content provider, which the Chinese company does, thereby raising concerns of possible compromise of the content that local broadcasters will be issuing.
It should not be pegged to such unreasonable conditions because it's either you have an interest or you don't. They have an interest. Give it to them.
The media houses want to be given priority with issuance of licenses to cushion them from massive losses due to the heavy investment in broadcast equipment. The case will continue tomorrow. Esther Kahumbi, Monday Special.